What's up, Mengcos? It's your boy Carlo back at it with another video. Today I'm going to show you how much I spent for the month of January to compare it to my estimate of $1,500 a month from my last previous video. Now these expenses that you're going to see doesn't mean I actually spent them on that day because I'm looking at transactions that have occurred between January 1st and January 31st. So now let's get right into it. In the beginning of January, I was actually at home where I spent New Year's at my parents' place, so there was a lot of traveling involved. On January 2nd, I was charged $24.44 on gas. I went to a supermarket and I bought a steak for, I believe, $7.14. I also had to pay my car insurance on January 2nd. That was $56.33. Then I had another charge for a gas station. I don't know if this was just an item. I really don't remember. But that was $3.35. So I have an Easy Pass from New York, which is essentially a pass that lets you get on the tolls and bridges for a discounted rate. And the way it works for me is that after I run out of balance, it automatically replenishes $25. So on January 4th, I was charged $25. January 4th, I went back to Virginia so I could go back to work, but I was charged $23.88 for gas. I went grocery shopping the next week at Walmart, and that was $42.54, and I also went to get gas for $14.24 on the 10th. Paid the taxes for my car, that totaled to $25.74, and since I paid online, that was $2.95 extra. On January 16, I was charged $22.01 at a gas station. Actually, that was not a gas. That was just I went to a friend's place and he requested that I get some drinks for everybody. My electric bill, that was $81.77. And on the 20th, I went to get gas again, $29.06. So let me explain to you why I spent so much money on gas. I work pretty far for where I live. It's about 20 miles minimum for one direction. So a typical week I travel around 200 miles, right? So that's the reason why I pay a lot on gas. I paid my phone bill, which was $60.95 on the 21st. On January 24th, I spent $72.78 for groceries. So now let's talk about where I spend when I buy groceries. Typically, there's two options that I go to, and that is the Food Max International where I live, which is an international grocery store where they have multiple variety of food, or I go to a Walmart, and that's usually if I need another item, whether it's toilet paper or whatnot. It's a lot cheaper, right? And just obviously more convenient because there's a gas station right next to it. On the 27th, I was charged $54.73 for my internet. So at the end of the month, I actually went back to New York to spend my anniversary with my girlfriend Marin. The original plan was to go to Pennsylvania, but my parents decided not to go because of the weather. Anyways, I spent $101.92 for a hotel. I was in New Jersey. I also Mary and I went to the Met for $24. We spent some money on liquor, $12.22. I was charged $25.12 for gas and $2.63 a bottle a case of water at Walmart. A lot of Walmart, huh? And then once again, because of the bridges and tolls I have to go to and from New York City, it's really expensive. To go one way on like a Lincoln Tunnel or the George Washington or the Verrazano, it's like $13, which is insane. So I was charged $25 for my Easy Pass. I got gas again to go home, and that was the $26.57 that was charged on the 31st of January. We got McDonald's for breakfast, and that was $10.43. And finally, I bought a shovel at Home Depot because of the incoming weather, and that was $13.84. Now, my last two expenses I don't have the date for is my rent and Spotify, and that was $800 for my rent and $5 for Spotify. So for the month of January, I spent a total of, drumroll please, $1,593.73. Now that's pretty close to what I typically spend of around $1,500 based on my estimated costs. Obviously, this might be a little bit lower because I did split a few things with my girlfriend and I did get reimbursement for some of the expenses. But overall, I think you can see that I don't spend that much money, I think. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.